In this video, we'll be showing you exactly how to integrate Salesforce with Shopify and why this could be a game changer for your business. You might be wondering, how will linking these two platforms streamline my workflow? Well, stick with us till the end to find out how this integration can save you time and boost your sales process. First off, let's talk about Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the most powerful customer relationship management (CRM) tools out there. It helps you track customer interactions, sales, and marketing campaigns all in one place. But why should you integrate it with Shopify? The main reason is that it will allow you to centralize all your data from both platforms, giving you a much clearer picture of your customer's journey. Next thing, let's dive into the integration itself. You'll want to start by installing a Salesforce integration app from the Shopify App Store. This is usually the easiest and quickest way to link the two platforms. Apps like Salesforce Connector or Shopify Salesforce Integration do a lot of the heavy lifting, and they'll sync your orders, inventory, and customer data between Salesforce and Shopify automatically. This means no more manual data entry or worrying about discrepancies between your systems. The third thing, once you've installed the app, you'll need to connect your Salesforce account to Shopify. This step usually involves logging into both platforms and authorizing the integration. Once you do that, the magic happens. Your Shopify store data will start syncing with Salesforce in real time. Next, you'll need to map your Shopify data to Salesforce's fields. This is an important step because it ensures that your customer data, like order information and shipping addresses, is correctly transferred from Shopify into Salesforce. You'll set this up once, and from there, the integration does the work for you. Now, let's talk about automation. One of the biggest benefits of connecting Salesforce with Shopify is automation. With everything integrated, you can automate things like customer follow-ups, order updates, and marketing campaigns. For example, if someone makes a purchase on your Shopify store, Salesforce can trigger an automated email thanking them for their purchase or even suggesting related products. This creates a seamless experience for your customers while saving you time. Next thing, you'll also get enhanced customer insights. By syncing Shopify data into Salesforce, you can get a better understanding of your customers' buying habits and preferences. With this information, you can tailor your marketing efforts and improve your sales strategies. For instance, if a customer has purchased certain products in the past, Salesforce can help you identify trends and send targeted promotions for those products. Finally, let's talk about the bonus. You can use this integration completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right, you get access to exclusive tools and extended trials, so you can start integrating Salesforce with Shopify today and see the benefits for yourself. Don't miss out. To sum it up, integrating Salesforce with Shopify can streamline your operations, enhance your customer experience, and help automate key tasks. By following the steps we've covered, you'll be able to sync your data, create better customer insights, and take your business to the next level. Make sure to grab your exclusive free trial through the link below and start integrating Salesforce with Shopify today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more videos for tips and tricks on making the most of these powerful tools.